Next, let's take a look at disabling the notification bars or notification alerts that come through to the Business Hub. So let's see if I can get one to show here. I think if I edit the order and then hit cancel edits, we may see a notification. Yep, so this notification alert that you see coming across the top, if you have an organization where you have lots of team members working in your Business Hub, and they're all doing different things, whether it's saving orders, marking orders as produced, maybe canceling edits to an order, all those notifications get sent to everybody across the board. And we've gotten feedback that can be a little bit distracting and annoying as you're trying to work within your system. So we have added an option based on that feedback to just turn off those notifications completely. Let's take a look at that. So jumping back into our admin area, and just close off some of these tabs. We'll click into our settings section, and we're going to click into production and order settings, and we'll find the new section here, Business Hub notifications. Just one option here, disable Business Hub notifications. So pretty straightforward. We'll go ahead and save that change and refresh our Business Hub. So with that option enabled, we'll no longer see those sliding alerts coming down from the top of our Business Hub. And that should help to, again, keep people focused, avoid any kind of distractions. We have accounts where 30, 40 team members are all working within the same Business Hub. And I could imagine that could get pretty distracting along the way. So a nice improvement there.